Hello and welcome to my channel, Adventures with TCS. My name is Tom and Davey ran along with me as we drive north on US 50 in Colorado. But first of all, this video is from my 2022 road trip, where I drove all the way to western Nevada and far eastern California and back. On this amazing trip, we visited 3 national parks, experienced the loneliest highway in America, and also drove I-80 from Chicago to California. Up yet still is a drive home, including Denver, Omaha, Des Moines, and Chicago. If you like this video or this kind of content, let me know by leaving a comment and a like on this video to encourage me as I try to travel down all the best highways that America has to offer. So in this video, we'll start day 9 in Montrose, Colorado. As we rejoin US 50 for one final time on this trip, we'll drive it north until the town of Delta, which is where this video will end. Also in this video are the normal things like fun facts along the way, and you can see if you know the answer to the trivia question. If you're a first-time visitor to my channel or watching this video while still unsubscribed, I hope today to persuade you to hit that subscribe button so you keep following along on my road trip adventures. New videos are posted here every couple of days, and you miss any of the ones for this one, you can always catch up by clicking the playlist link in the description. While checking out the video description, you can see a ton of other helpful information like what's upcoming on this trip, my social links, and ways you can help make more videos like these possible by supporting more trips to amazing places just like this one. Of course, like with any of your favorite YouTube creators, the simplest and easiest way to support us is to like this video and maybe sharing it with a friend. It really helps us out and allows more people to enjoy our content. Now you're fully informed or reminded about all the stuff you should know, I'm going to keep driving north on US 50 inside colorful Colorado. Well, that's it for this video, and thanks so much for watching it until the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please help me out by clicking that like button and sharing it with a friend. In the next video from this amazing trip, we'll head towards the Grand Mesa, so make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.